In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Chat with Trello Project Management Software. This is a great way to streamline your project management and communication, making it easier to keep everyone on the same page. Let's get started. First, open your Trello project. You can do this by navigating to your Trello dashboard and selecting the specific project board you want to work with. Once you're there, look for the menu icon, which appears as 3 dots located beside the Share button. Clicking on these dots will give you a drop-down menu with more options. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to find and click on Power-Ups. Power-Ups are Trello's way of integrating with other services and adding extra features to your boards. Think of them as plugins that enhance your Trello experience. After you've clicked on Power-Ups, you'll see a search bar. In this search bar, type in Google Chat. This will help you find the specific integration you need. Once the search results appear, look for the option labeled Google Chat. When you find it, click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you can learn more about the integration and what it offers. You'll see an option to add it to your Trello board. Go ahead and click Add. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Google Chat with your Trello board. This integration allows you to receive notifications from Trello directly in Google Chat, keeping you updated on any changes or updates to your projects without needing to switch between different platforms constantly. It's worth noting that this integration is particularly beneficial for teams that rely heavily on both Trello for project management and Google Chat for communication. It streamlines the workflow by centralizing communication and task management, thus reducing the need for constant platform switching. If you encounter any issues or need to adjust the settings of your integration, you can always revisit the Power-Up section in your Trello board. From there, you can manage your existing power-ups, including Google Chat, and tweak their settings to better suit your workflow. And there you have it. You've now connected Google Chat with Trello, enhancing your project's communication and management capabilities. Remember, this is just one of many integrations available for Trello, so feel free to explore and find others that might help boost your productivity even further. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!